Welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy, where we simplify the complex world of finance. I'm Izzy, your guide on this journey to financial literacy. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of compound interest, a concept that can truly transform your financial future. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. Similarly, compound interest starts with a small amount of money, but as it earns interest, the amount grows, and the interest is calculated on the new, larger amount. This process repeats, causing your money to grow exponentially over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Think of it as planting a tree. The sooner you plant the seed, the more time it has to grow into a towering tree. The same principle applies to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Regular contributions to your investment account are like watering your tree. The more you water it, the faster it grows. Similarly, the more money you invest, the more your wealth grows due to compound interest. Patience is key in the world of compound interest. Just like a tree doesn't grow overnight, your wealth won't either. It takes time for compound interest to work its magic. But if you're patient, you'll be rewarded with a substantial increase in your wealth. Investing always involves a degree of risk, just like climbing a tree. The higher you climb, the greater the risk, but also the greater the view. Similarly, the more you invest, the greater the potential reward, but also the greater the risk. It's important to find a balance that suits your risk tolerance. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, let us know by hitting like. And don't forget to subscribe to always stay updated with our latest content. In conclusion, the power of compound interest is a fundamental concept in finance. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger and faster as it goes. By investing early, making regular contributions, being patient, and understanding the balance between risk and reward, you can harness the power of compound interest to grow your wealth. Remember, every financial journey starts with a single step. So take that step today and start your journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, money matters can be made easy.